People don't ignore you by mistake, they ignore you by permission, and that permission you gave them. If you have ever felt undervalued, taken for granted, or emotionally exhausted in a relationship, this is not just a video, this is a mirror. Hi, I'm Sukeshi, and here we don't just talk about relationships, we understand the shift within you that changes everything outside you. Let me show you how this usually looks. You get a message and instantly reply to that message. And then you wait, and then you check your phone again and again. And suddenly, your mood depends on that one reply. Not because they are powerful, but because somewhere you forgot your own center. Let me ask you something. In your relationship, are you the one who texts first, calls first, adjusts first, forgives even when it hurts? You give your time, your energy, your love, and still something feels empty. And slowly, without realizing, you start blaming yourself. You start questioning your worth. You start thinking, maybe I'm not enough. But what if I told you you were always enough? You just gave yourself without having any boundaries. Let me share a story of my client with you. There was this person who believed love meant sacrifice. He believed that love means giving more, and that would make people stay with him. So he gave everything. He cancelled his plans just to be available. He stayed quiet just to avoid conflict. He said it's okay, even when it wasn't. But slowly, he started disappearing. One day, he looked at himself and he didn't recognize who he had become. And that moment was the shift. He said to himself, I deserve better, not from others, but from myself. And that day began the transformation. From that day, he stopped over explaining, stopped chasing, stopped begging for attention. And something powerful happened. The energy changed. Listen carefully. People don't treat you the way you deserve, they treat you the way you allow them. And the moment you change what you allow, everything begins to shift. Yes, everything. So remember these four practical shifts which you have to bring. Number one, stop over giving. You don't have to earn love by exhausting yourself. Number two, silence is power. Not every situation needs your explanation. Sometimes your absence speaks louder. Number three, protect your energy. If you don't set boundaries, people won't see them. Number four, choose yourself, even if it feels uncomfortable in the beginning, because losing yourself is more painful. These four shifts will do magic. And do you know what hurts the most? Not rejection, but being available for people who would never show up to you the way you show up for them. But today, remember, something changes. Today, you stop chasing. Today, you stop shrinking. Today, you remember who you are. Repeat this slowly. I'm learning to choose myself even when it feels uncomfortable. I'm learning to trust my feelings instead of just ignoring them. And slowly, I'm becoming someone who feels safe within. By repeating this every day, imagine a few weeks from now, you will feel calmer, clearer, stronger. and the same situation once that, I mean, it hurt you before. Now they no longer control you. The day you realize your worth, you stop forcing connection, you stop fearing loneliness, you stop accepting the minimum, and life becomes peaceful because you're no longer chasing people, you're choosing yourself. If I spoke to you deep inside, comment below, I know my worth. Subscribe the channel because here we don't just talk about change, we create the shift which leads to great transformation and happy lives.